Hello everyone, my name is Tudor and I've completed the online course Crypto Investment Successful Start 2.0 in April 2024 with the online school MONEYFEST. I was initially hesitant to join as there's so many cryptocurrency courses online and it's hard to know which one is worth your time and money. Many courses only offer a few video lessons with no real support or interaction. However, my experience with MONEYFEST was very different. By the 7th module, I had made more than 900 rands and had recovered the cost of the course. Then, towards the end of the course, I learned about the futures market and started making money on futures. Now my income from cryptocurrency far exceeds my salary, and I'm already thinking of solely focusing on cryptocurrency and quitting my day job. By the way, I'm recording this video on my new mobile phone, which I was able to buy with my trading profits. The course itself is packed with useful information, and I was able to learn from expert Pedro with additional support from Diego. We're both really responsive and answered any questions I had throughout the learning process. What really stood out for me was the practical application of the knowledge I gained. The course included a lot of practical materials, clearly showing what to look for and how to execute trades. There was also a fantastic support system in place, with a dedicated section after each lesson to ask questions, and a responsive customer service team to help with any issues. One of the most important things for me was the opportunity to book a one-on-one consultation with an expert. This personalized session allowed me to address specific topics I was struggling with, which made a huge difference in my learning experience. I'd like to thank Pedro, Diego, and the whole MONEYFEST team. I wish everyone successful trades and a growing market. Thank you.